Hello everyone, welcome to Math Molecules. I'm here today with an online tool for teachers and students, which is a great platform for your projects, group discussions, creative posters, brainstorming, collages, and more. This amazing platform that we are exploring today is Padlet. What is a Padlet? Padlet is an application to create an online bulletin board that you can use to display information. Use a Padlet to collaborate in collecting ideas, brainstorming, projects, or assignments. It gives you a real class experience, making the virtual classroom just like the real ones, bringing all your students and teachers together and they work together with Padlet. Go to padlet.com. First time you might have to sign up. You can use your existing Google ID. Here I have already signed up, so I will log in with my Google ID. I prefer Google ID because the same Google ID can be used for various such applications. So it is easy to remember. Here I would be discussing the free version of Padlet. So this is the dashboard which appears as soon as you log in, the home page of Padlet. You can see the Padlets which I have already created. Let's begin from scratch and create a new Padlet. Click on Make a Padlet. These are the layouts which you can choose from. Map and timeline can be used by the social teachers. So there is wall, canvas, stream, grid, shelf, back channel. I would be selecting wall here. Now you can see a new Padlet has been created. You can give any title of your choice. Here I would be giving my Padlet trial and description. Anything how you would like to describe. If it is something about your project, you can give that. Here I am giving it as enter your feedback. You can choose any icon. Any of these stickers can be used or you can add your own. You can search for images, upload an image, paste a link, take a photo, or even draw. Let me search a GIF. These are the GIFs which I had already searched, so I will use them. Then you can change the wallpaper. If you don't like this design, you can go ahead with solid colors, gradient, textures and patterns, or pictures, or add your own. So maybe I will take a gradient one here. Now the next option is attribution. Display author name above each post. Do you want your name to be displayed above your post? In case if you want that, you can select this option. You can also change the font type. Then the comments part. Allow viewers to comment on post. Do you want the viewers to comment on the post, what you make, as well as the students when they post, and do you want the other students to comment? If you want to do so, you can turn this on. The next option is reactions. Do you want to give reactions to your posts? Or when the students post in, there is an option where everybody can react to. You can either have an option to like the post or vote for it or give stars or grade them. Here I would be choosing like. It is similar to the ones what we see in Facebook or Instagram. Let's move on to content filtering. The first option says require approval. Now in this case, if a student posts a message or a note, it will appear only if we approve it. If you want the Padlet to work in that way, in that case, you can go ahead and turn this on. The other option is filter profanity. What happens here is the Padlet replaces any bad words with a smiley or emoji. Maybe we can click this on. Click on next. And now your Padlet is all ready and you are set to post it. So click on Start Posting. To start with, just double click anywhere on the Padlet, you get the sticky note. So you can type in anything. Here I would type enter your feedback. Anything you can give here. The topic, what you're going to give for the project, any question, anything can be given here. You can even upload a document, a picture, an image, or share a link, Google search here, as well as take a photograph. Your students also get a similar sticky note wherein they can also write or upload, share a link, again Google search and take a photo. They can also do the same thing. Let's go ahead and share this. Let's see the privacy options. You can keep it private or password protected. Here, the secret option here, the person would be able to access only if you share the link, or you can make it public for everybody to access it. Visitor permission. Visitor permission, you have options of can read, can write, can edit. So once you share the link, what your visitors can do? Can they only read it? Can they write as well? Or they can edit as well? Here I'm giving the option of can write. So once you decide that your form has got enough responses, all your students have responded, and then you want them no longer to post anything, in that case, at that time, you can change the privacy setting to can read. There, the students will only be able to read, they cannot further post any comments. So we'll keep it as can write, and then we can go ahead and share it. Copy the link, or you can get a QR code. You can embed the link anywhere in your blog or website. You can email, share it on Facebook, Twitter, or Google Classroom. You can also save it as an image, a PDF, or export it as well to many other forms. So here I would copy the link to the clipboard, and let me just open it in another browser and see how it appears. Now let us see how the Padlet appears for your students. I have copied the link already and I'm going to go ahead and paste it on another browser, which I have done here. So this is the students window, and when I type in here, the students just have to double click and a sticky note appears for them. Another double click. And you can see that the same thing appears on my window as well. As the student is typing here, it appears in this window of mine. I can see it live. The other students who are typing the messages, posting it here, can also see it live. So it is like the entire class coming together and discussing together, posting together. So it's so much of fun. You bring the real classrooms into your virtual classroom. I hope this tutorial was helpful to all of you, and you will definitely try Padlet in your next session. Thank you for watching Math Molecules. Have a nice day.